I just think maybe Ricky doesn't need a bowling lesson in front of all the other kids.
He needs a man to show him.
I think he's doing just fine on his own. Excuse me. Here you go, Ricky. You give it your best shot. Okay? There you go. Oh, sorry. Please.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.